Volleyball nets are a surprisingly nuanced category where build quality, stability, and ease of setup directly impact training quality and enjoyment. For players ranging from casual backyard hitters to serious training groups, the right net can influence shot accuracy, net tension, and overall play feel. In this evaluation, I tested 5 mid-size to full-size nets. List number 1. Outdoor Heavy-Duty Volleyball Net Set. The Scary 32-foot-long by 3-foot-high outdoor volleyball net set combines a heavy-duty PE net with a premium aluminum pole framework and a winch-based tensioning system. It emphasizes a 3-stage adjustable height, men's 8 feet, co-ed 7 feet 8 inches, and women's 7 feet 4 inches, and uses a stainless steel winch and nylon rope to sustain net horizontal alignment. The build quality leans toward professional-grade stability with reinforced corners and a broad base design intended to minimize sag and sag-related truss losses during play. The inclusion of a travel-friendly storage bag and the option to use on grass or beach surfaces are notable. Priced at $129.89, positions it at the premium end of this group, reflecting the integrated anti-sag and upgraded winch system as core differentiators. In use, the Scary net delivers strong stability, with the aluminum coils providing rigidity while remaining lighter than steel equivalents. The anti-sag winch, paired with top-edge tensioning, helps maintain a flatter net surface, which is critical for precise serves and spikes. The 32-foot overall length is compatible with standard singles courts or larger backyards, though the heavier construction may require 2-person setup for optimal alignment. The included accessories, PU ball, pump, and scoring device add value for training sessions, especially for families or clubs that value a turnkey experience. On the downside, the setup time and the reliance on a solid anchor system mean performance can degrade on uneven ground without proper stakes. List number 2. Heavy-Duty Volleyball Net Outdoor with Steel Anti-Sag System. Arist presents a complete outdoor volleyball net set featuring 32 feet by 3 feet regulation dimensions, a 42mm aluminum pole system, and a steel anti-sag mechanism complemented by a winch system for height and tension control. The kit includes 1680D carrying bag, ground stakes, and a boundary line with a scoreboard, targeting serious backyard or beach play with a more pro-focused setup. The product highlights double-stitched top-bottom net tape, reinforced corners, and a robust metal adjuster for precise tensioning. The price is $129.89, placing it at the premium tier with a clear emphasis on professional performance and component durability. Performance-wise, the Arist system excels in tension retention thanks to a dedicated anti-sag mechanism and a robust drawstring with metal stakes and a rubber hammer for secure anchoring. The expanded accessory set, scoreboard, boundary line, pump, and multiple stakes makes it valuable for club or tournament-style practices where you want a ready-to-use field setup. On surfaces like grass and sand, the system's weight distribution and aluminum frame provide stability.
List number 3. Beguile Volleyball Net. The Beguile model offers a 12-foot portable practice net with a freestanding base and adjustable height suitable for compact spaces. Built on a powder-coated steel frame with a heavy base, 16mm fiberglass poles, and a 5-ply net aimed at durability, the Beguile system prioritizes portability and ease of use for smaller yards, driveways, or indoor gym setups. The inclusion of a 600D Oxford storage bag and a 2-year warranty enhances value, and the price point of $59.99 positions it as the budget-friendly option among the 5. The 12-foot width makes it ideal for solo practice or small group training without requiring a full backyard court. In practice, the freestanding base reduces the need for elaborate anchoring, allowing quick setup in 3 minutes on grass, sand, or concrete. The 16mm fiberglass poles provide good resistance to bending under moderate spikes, and the tear-resistant 5-ply net helps handle higher-intensity shots. The 2 height options, 8 feet and 7.4 feet, translate well for family play or beginner to intermediate drills. However, the shorter width compared to 32-foot nets means it's less suitable for larger group games or official practice scenarios, and may require closer ball placement for realistic drills.
List number 4. Volleyball net training, 12 foot wide. Apex Sports targets training-focused players with a 12-foot wide, portable net that emphasizes professional design and precision. The 16mm fiberglass frame combines with a high-quality finish to support indoor and outdoor use, and the product includes ground stakes for stability on soft surfaces. The height is adjustable between 7.4 feet and 8 feet, mirroring standard competition heights for men and women. And the package is completed with an included carry bag for easy transport. A 12-month warranty reinforces confidence in the build quality. In real-world use, the Apex Sports Net performs well for drills that demand consistent tension and repeatable setup. The fiberglass frame contributes to a lighter, more agile system suitable for quick sessions, while the ground stakes minimize displacement on grass surfaces. The compact 12-foot width is ideal for individual or small team practice, particularly when space is limited. The main trade-off is that the narrower footprint may not replicate full-court dynamics as effectively as larger nets, and wind can still affect stability on open fields without additional anchoring.
List number 5. Volleyball net. Zeal Feels Pole-Tech fiberglass poles focuses on durability and longevity, with 3-ply tear-resistant net with Durafiber technology aims to withstand UV exposure and water, while the arched-base design distributes weight for improved stability on multiple surfaces. The kit includes a carry bag and ground stakes, offering a portable, weather-resilient option for backyard or indoor use. Price is $69.96. situating it as a mid-range option with strong durability claims. During play, the Pole-Tech fiberglass poles offer good energy absorption, reducing risk of warp under repeated hits. The 12-foot width and 8-foot or 7.4-foot height options provide flexibility for family setups or youth training. The Durafiber treated net helps maintain color and tension across sessions, and the arched base design supports even weight distribution on soft soil or hard surfaces alike. A potential drawback is the relatively lightweight frame compared with premium steel/AL frameworks, which may influence stability during very aggressive play or on windy days.